Jaja Foundation.
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 Jaja Foundation, Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home.
Same challenge, I would say come over because the pressure you're going to be applying is downwards. So however's that.
It's good. It's a two-way street. So they teach us and we teach them something. So I'm happy for that. I'm happy I could help.
And we are oversubscribed because everybody wants to see the dentist.
Because dental is really high in demand here in the islands, so that's why we have 4 dentists at this time working very hard to get this done.
Thank you very much to Jaja Foundation and all the staff that are here today. We do appreciate you and thank you guys.
Because he's a very special boy, Jaja. Because only him alone can do that. Jaja alone.
I thank you, Jaja Foundation, for doing this for all of us. I really appreciate it.